going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And today I'm very pleased because I've been using these for a while and they are phenomenal, okay? There are some products that are good and then there's products that are phenomenal, and these particularly are phenomenal just because they're small and they don't fall out of your ears. I'm talking about these bad boys right here. At first, I was a little bit thrown off because I did review recently, we'll get to it in a second. I reviewed another pair of Earbuds, but these ones are so much better because they have different size tips. They're smaller, they jam in your ear canal, they don't hang out, and they do not fall out when you are jogging or bicycling, etc. As you guys know, Apple Earbuds, they fall out all over the place. There's people making videos about them falling out on the airplane, just like tilting their head that quickly it falls out. I actually took a walk with them the other day and they just bad design. These so much better. Without further ado, let's open this up. Company is ZNT, just like all my review videos. In the description box below is gonna have the link for this exact same product. So check out those links below. If they sell in the UK and India, I'll have you guys linked below as well, but the US for sure I'll have you linked, but just check out the description box. Let's get into it. All right here we got the box right here. And again, I've already opened this up. I've already used these and I am a believer and I love them very much. First off, you got the little case here and you actually would put your charging cable right in the back right here, micro USB charging cable. This thing flips up and there are your buds right there. We'll get to that in just a second here. Let's get the boring stuff out of the way real quickly. Inside is also this little box. That is it for the product packaging. And inside this little box, you have your USB, you have your directions, and as USB, your USB charging cable, etc. That's it for that. You have a very short micro USB charging cable and then two different size ear tips right here for inside your ear canal. Ear tips, I mean that right there is an ear tip. The silicone ear tips, you're gonna get two other sizes in there with the third size right here, fitting all ear canals. Directions right there, real awesome. So let's go ahead and open this on up. Very cool case, number one. Your earbuds are protected, very small, size of my hand there, very cool. So this opens up and this is actually magnetic right here. So once you put it in, it'll actually latch on magnetic. So these things are not gonna fall out. That is magnetically in there, so you're not gonna lose that if you leave the flap open and you knock it over, etc. Now again, on the back, that's where you would charge it, plug in your micro USB. Let's go ahead and take these guys out. We have a couple charging prongs right there, as you can see. And again, you would just put them back in here, insert your cable, bada bing, bada boom, you are charging. I'll show you that towards the end of the video. So as you can see, these things are tiny. Let's get a closer look. We have the right and left, as we can see right here with the charging prongs. And then again, these just slip right into your ear canal and you pop these off if you want to change the size of them there. A couple LED indicator lights here and here. I think these are the microphone holes. You can take phone calls over these. And then we'll go ahead and power them up. Nothing really else on there. The batteries are inside. Let's go ahead and fire one up. And then I've already have it connected here, but there's your little blue LED light. And the directions show you how to pair them up. So that blinks a little bit there, and then you would power this one. And it actually talks to you if you had these in your ears right now. It would say, right, left, connected, you are now connected. It's really cool. So we have that there, and then that would be the microphone input right there. So you can take some phone calls over these as well. And let me show you what they look like in my ears because they are just awesome. So they would actually fit inside your ear canal, unlike the Apple ones that droop down. And so as you can see there, it's in there, looking absolutely fantastic in this one as well. And let me briefly just show you the capability of these things sticking in my head as I'm running around in the gym, etc. on the plane. Those aren't coming out. My other ones would have shot way across the room already. These are absolutely phenomenal. I took a walk, jog, awesome. Just awesome, trust me. So let me give you a size comparison to the ones that I reviewed recently, which are good as long as you're stationary at a desk. But again, these black ones are so much better for the active gym person, runner, cyclist, you name it, just walking around town. definitely nice. So this is what it looks like when you are charging it. I'm not using the provided cable, I'm using my phone's cable actually. Let's go ahead and flip this up here. And as we can see there, we have a blue LED indicator light right here, and then the buds are illuminated there. Very cool. And again, you could hang this upside down. Those are not going anywhere. Absolutely phenomenal. And we have a play time of music to 3 to 3.5 hours. And we have a talk time of 3 hours. Absolutely fantastic. Standby time of 160 hours. Bluetooth version 4.2. Well guys, they also sound phenomenal. They sound great. Great little bass as well for the size of them. And clarity, very crisp, very nice. I do highly recommend them. They are gonna be my go-to earbuds, earphones, just in general, even if I'm on a plane. Those bad boys, because they're in your canal, are definitely nice for noise isolation as well. So again, look in the description box below the video. You're going to find the link for it. You guys pick yourselves up a pair. They're definitely super sweet, and I will see you guys on the next review. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe so you're always up to date. Next thing I'm reviewing, the next project I'm up to, and I will see you guys in the next video. My name's Chris. Bye-bye for now.